All aboard, the first Pilbara-made iron ore wagon is ready to hit the rails.
This is a solid example of our Made in WA plan coming to fruition.
This one is the first of 60 set to be built at the Karratha factory. 40 more have already been created in Perth.
These will start to be dispatched over the next fortnight, and then we'll continue to put out 10 over each sort of calendar year.
Mining giants Rio Tinto and Gemco Rail building the carriages with $7 million of state government funding.
So this is not only a manufacturing opportunity, it's a maintenance opportunity. It means long-term, continuous jobs here in Karratha.
These wagons will be able to carry up to 118 tonnes of material. Dampier and Cape Lambert sites will be the first to take delivery.
Together, we are creating capability and driving innovation, and also building sustainable supply chains in our regions as well.
25 jobs are being created at the railcar manufacturing site.
Will create meaningful local employment, and we're proud to support the development of the next generation of the Pilbara talent.
Bertus Meyer, 7 News.